Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to share Google Drive link. So we're going to be selecting the file, and in this file we're going to go to the extreme right where we have the three dots and we're going to tap on it, and then we're going to come over to share. Now in this option you have share and copy link. Now it's important to click on share because as you can see here in the general access, this file is restricted. So it says only people with access can open with the link. So if you add people by their email address, they might have access to this link. But if you want to share it to a large number of people, you can simply go over to General Access, click on the drop-down menu beside Restricted, and then you're going to have anyone with the link. So when you do that, it's going to update. As you can see, access has been updated. And then we're going to copy the link. And now the link is copied and we're going to click Done. Another way to know if your file is accessible with anyone with the link is going to show you this icon here, meaning that anyone with the link can actually have access to the link. So now we could go again to the three dots, tap on it, and just to be sure, we can copy the link. Of course, we can see down here, link copied, then we can share it by pasting this link anywhere we want. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.